Hi, boys and girls. Follow along with me, please. I am going to say 3 words. I'm going to say 1 word, and I want you to tell me 3 words that rhyme with it. Your first word is pick. What rhymes with pick? Thick, stick, brick. What rhymes with hay? Play, they, stay. What rhymes with now? Chow, plow, brow. I am going to say a word. I want you to repeat it and then tell me the first sound in the word. I say freezer. You say freezer. Okay? Crowded. Crowded. K. Speaking. Speaking. S. Blowing. Blowing. B. Glasses. Glasses. G. Okay, I am going to tell you sounds. I want you to blend them together to make a word. B, r, a, v. Brave. F, r, a, j, l. Fragile. G, r, a. Gray. P, r, a, z. Praise. K, r, a, d, l. Cradle. B, r, I, t. Bright. K, r, a, m, z. Crumbs. B, r, e, z. Breeze. F, r, a, st. Frost. G, r, e, s. Grease. Okay, now I am going to say a word. I want you to repeat it, and then I want you to tell me the blend that you hear at the end of the word. The blend at the end. Are you ready? I say ask. You say ask. Sk. Okay, sk is the blend at the end of that word. Gasp. Gasp. Sp. Dust. Dust. St. Desk. Desk. Sk. Mist. Mist. St. Crisp. Crisp. Sp. Past. Past. St. All right, now I am going to say a word. I want you to tell me all the sounds in the word, please. I say braid. You say b, r, a, d. Okay, here we go. Crab. K, r, a, b. Grind. G, r, I, n, d. Free. F, r, e. Grass. G, r, ass. Print. P, r, I, n, t. Ground. G, r, ow, n, d. Brain. B, r, a, n. Crash. K, r, a, sh. Proof. P, r, oo, f. Say rye, add f to the beginning. Fry. Say ray, add g. Gray. Say raise, add p. Praise. Say rust, add k. Crust. Say root, add f. Fruit. Say rod, add p. Prod. Say rantic, add f. Frantic. Say freeze without f. Wreath. Say grade without g. Raid. Say pray without p. Ray. Say frank without f. Rank. Say cream without k. Ream. Say proud without p. Rowd. Say bridge without b. Ridge. Say grill without g. Rill. Say bread without b. Red. Say proof without p. Roof. Say brick, change br to tr. Trick. Say brag, change br to sn. Snag. Say flap, change fl to tr. Trap. Say bread, change br to sl. Sled. Say brim, change br to tr. Trim. Say drill, change dr to fr. Frill. Say skin, change sk to gr. Grin. Say drop, change dr to full. Flop. Say slip, change sl to gr. Grip. Say prize, change pr to dr. Dries. All right, now I'm going to show you some letter and sound cards. I want you to say letter or letters and then the sound. A. Okay, so you say it and then I'll say it to make sure you got it right. E. I. O. U. C. K. C-H, ch. W-H, w. T-H, f. S-H, sh. F-F, f. S-S, s. Oops. L-L, l. S-C, sk. S-K, sk. S-L, sl. S-M, sm. S-N, sn. S-P, sp. S-T, st. S-W, sw. Great job, boys and girls. Have a great day.